this point. It just respected the line drawn from these 2 points. Not the case. The divergence is still strong. You still have to knock the setup for that. It's also breaking out for the first time beyond this zone created in the Asian range. Yes. So the first question is, what is the bias of the L50? Does anyone not know what the L50 is? If you're not practicing, you're not learning as much as you could. Don't make decisions to get in or to get out fully based on what's happening mid-candle.